Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. Sorry, I was just eating some Oreos and I hope I don't have any in my teeth. Okay, first question. Hi Vanessa, wanted your opinion on a feature to request from Posh. I think a preview option before you actually list an item would be a great option. So many times I list it and don't like my photos, my title or something, then I have to keep going back in and out. I don't position it in my closet until I'm done, so I'm not sharing any additional listings, so there's actually no advantage to not being able to preview. I think that's a good idea actually, and I feel like it's a simple thing. Because I agree. Although honestly, my pictures suck. They really do, like just being real guys. I use a mannequin and I white out my backgrounds, but I still feel like my pictures just suck. Yes, I agree. That would be a good feature. I think I want to do a video. I know I've done one in the past where I talk about like features that Poshmark should have. I think I need to do an updated one because that's a good idea. If you guys have any suggestions, comment down below and I'll definitely give you credit. Hey Vanessa, I have a question. I've edited my sizes on Poshmark a million times and it still never filters correctly. I have extra large as my size in certain categories and I'm still shown small and medium listings. Is this happening to you too? Is there any way to fix it? Yes, that happens to me too. I feel like the Poshmark search isn't the best at all. Weren't they supposed to make updates to it? Didn't they say at the last Posh Fest they were going to make updates to SEO? Yes, it's annoying. It happens to me. And another thing I really hate is when I'm searching for a particular brand. It happens a lot with shoes, I've noticed. If I'm searching for a specific shoe, like I'm obsessed with Air Force Ones, but the Flyknit Air Force Ones. And whenever I search for them, it just always comes up with regular Air Force Ones. Even if I use the word Flyknit, I don't know. They just need to figure out their search and just iron out shit, because I agree, it's annoying. Stuff pops up that shouldn't. They need to figure that out. Next question. Okay, this one was kind of weird. Can you cover why I can share items but I can't list anything new on another video? Okay, so you can share items but you can't list anything new. It sounds like you might be in Poshmark jail. Did you do something wrong? Did you follow too many people? Did you share too fast or too many things? Sounds like Poshmark jail of some sort. I wouldn't know exactly what you did wrong. This was a comment from a while ago. So Joe, if you're watching, yeah, let me know if you ever figured that out. But my guess is Poshmark jail of some sort. Okay, next question. Hi Vanessa, I love your videos. I watch them often and I think you are the right person to help me solve my problem. I've accidentally listed 2 fake items on Poshmark, or so buyers say, and I cannot prove them wrong as I buy secondhand. Poshmark has emailed me saying that if I list one more fake item, I'll be kicked off the site. I'm terrified of that because it has been my only source of income during the pandemic. I never meant to sell fakes and I wish I could redeem myself. Should I contact Poshmark and ask if they'll take it off my record? Have you ever heard of that being done? Is there a redemption period after a year of penalties that will take them off my record? It is hard for a small seller to spend money verifying each and every item's authenticity. I always do research on more expensive items, but I cannot afford the time and money verifying each cheaper item. It can be impossible to find a simple, unordinary blouse. Seeking advice, thank you. Okay, so that's tough. Guys, there are a lot of really good fakes out there, and you know, it's possible to sell a fake without knowing that it's a fake. Try to contact Poshmark, but unfortunately, I don't know if they'll believe you. Selling dupes is like a popular thing to do, and I don't know. I mean, I don't know if they would believe you, which is sad to say because, you know, you're being honest. You didn't know that you were selling fakes. But there are some people out there that sell fakes and maybe they will use it as an excuse and be like, oh, I didn't know it was a fake, when in actuality they did, and they're just saying that because they got caught and they're trying to save their ass, you know? I don't know if you were to make a new closet, if that's like a big no-no. That probably is a big no-no. I would just be extra cautious with the items that you purchase. Did you say you purchased like mainly high-end stuff? I don't think you said that. I would just be extra cautious with the things that you purchase. There are Facebook groups that are really helpful, you know, depending on the type of stuff that you buy. There's like vintage Facebook groups that'll help you authenticate things. There are a lot of people that will provide services for free. So it's just a matter of, you know, doing research and finding those like free groups and stuff. But yeah, I would be careful. Last question. Okay, I got a bunch of questions from you guys. Questions. From you guys asking me if I heard about the latest scandal with the reselling community, and I have actually made a whole video talking about it. I'll link that down below. But there's been someone that's been like outed in the community, and in that video I said that they had deleted their Instagram, but they actually still have it. They had me blocked, so I wasn't able to see it. But yeah, they still have their Instagram, and I don't know where they go from here. They're gonna try to redeem themselves. I don't know. There are a lot of people out there that will you know, forgive them just like a lot of people forgave Nicole State. You know, there's those bleeding hearts that are just like, it's okay. Like, you can murder someone in front of me, but I'll still forgive you. Like, it's, you know, there's people like that. I'll link my video down below talking all about it. All right, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have, what am I saying? I forgot my outro. What do I say? Oh, no, I was right. I was going in the right direction. Guys, it's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock on a Friday. I'm ready to party this weekend. Just kidding. I don't party. I have a million kids. It is Halloween this weekend though, which is exciting. We are going to do some fun things. Yeah, anyway, I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. I'm almost to 1,000 people. Like, I've almost recruited 1,000 people on Poshmark, which is crazy. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.